Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you some very delicious spicy shrimp tacos that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing spicy shrimp tacos, these are the ingredients. I have smoked paprika, parsley, black pepper, onion flakes, vegetable oil, garlic paste, the Tony's seasoning that I have it here. I have the chili flakes, unsalted butter, tortillas, of course, the shrimp, and mozzarella cheese. This is everything we need to prepare and enjoy these amazing spicy shrimp tacos. So let's get started. I want to start here with the shrimp. I put a little piece of napkin right on the bottom to absorb the excessive liquid. I have washed, deveined, and peeled my shrimp. So the shrimp is ready to go. Now I'm ready to start adding the spices. And let me start first with the vegetable oil. I'm gonna put it right on the top, adding the rest of the seasoning, the black pepper, the smoked paprika. I have here the dry onion, the pepper flakes. I have the seasoning, this seasoning here. I'm gonna add it right on the top. And of course, the garlic paste. I am going to add it in here. I am going to cover all the shrimp with these amazing spices. You want to make sure that everything is nice and coated, that every single shrimp is coated with all the spices. This smells already amazing. The garlic paste, just perfection. It's nice and creamy. Now that everything is really combined, now I'm going to help myself with a saran wrap, and I am going to cover it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so that the shrimp really absorbs all those spices. After the 30 minutes, I am going to remove, and let's go to the stove. My pan is nice and hot. And of course, I am going to start by adding the butter. And then I'm going to add just a little bit, maybe half a teaspoon of vegetable oil so that the butter doesn't burn. I'm going to add it just like that and incorporate it completely. And I'm going to add the shrimp in two sections. I'm going to add half right now so that I don't overcrowd the pan and that they're not sticking to each other, so they don't release too much liquid. I'm going to go ahead and just cook it in medium-high heat. I'm making sure that I'm moving them around so they start cooking from both sides. That part is very important. Be moving them from side to side so they start cooking from both sides. You don't want to just leave them there and then wait 3 minutes and then flip them. You got to make sure that you're moving them around so that they all cook at the same time. Look at this. It's already releasing those amazing flavors. My kitchen smells amazing. Once you see the shrimp changing color, well, then it's time to remove them. Remove your shrimp and add the rest of the shrimp to the pan. Look at this. Of course, the little bit oil that is there, I am going to use it towards the end. I'm adding the rest of the shrimp. And like I said, don't overcrowd your pan. You want to make sure that they have space so they cook really fast, okay? And you don't want to overcook your shrimp, or else the shrimp is going to get really hard, and that's exactly what you don't want. Just be mixing it around so they cook from all the sides, and once you see them nice and pink, that means your shrimp is ready to be removed. Like I said, don't overcook your shrimp. It takes about 3 minutes for your shrimp to be nice and pink and ready to go. Look at this. You could really see all those spices getting nice and toasted. So now I am ready to remove the shrimp. I don't want to overcook the shrimp. I'm going to go ahead, remove it. Remove the shrimp from the pan and all those liquids behind. I'm going to add my tortillas right on top of them. You know, cover my tortillas with that little bit of oil that's behind with all those drippings of the shrimp. And my tacos are gonna come out amazing, let me tell you. And here, let me show you the shrimp. To this shrimp, I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley right on the top to give it that delicious flavor and the amazing look. And let me show you how the shrimp already looks. This looks amazing. And the smell, the aroma that the shrimp and the spices are leaving behind, just perfection made at home. Every time you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Now I'm ready to prepare my tacos. Let's go to the stove. I have my skillet nice and hot. I'm adding some mozzarella cheese on the bottom. I'm adding the tortilla with those drippings on the top. I'm going to add some more cheese on the top of the tortilla. And of course, this taco is going to come out crunchy, cheesy, and with the shrimp, just amazing. I'm going to be very generous and add the cheese on the top. Now I'm ready to add the shrimp. I'm adding 3 large shrimps. If you have small shrimps, well, you could add more, but mine are jumbo size. So I'm just going to add 3. Before you close your taco, add some parsley right on top of the shrimp. And make sure before you close your taco that the cheese on the bottom is nice and toasted. So I'm making sure I don't want to close the taco and the cheese is still really loose. I want to close the taco, but make sure that the cheese on the bottom is really golden brown. Look at this. Of course, I have a little more space for another taco. I'm adding my cheese, adding my tortilla with the drippings, extra cheese on the top, and of course my shrimp. And I can't wait to assemble my taco on my plate. I'm going to add, as a garnish, I'm going to add aguacate. I'm going to add some sour cream to bring down a little bit the spiciness of the shrimp. And this is ready. I am ready to enjoy these tacos. I'm going to add one more. Remember, they're still nice and hot. And I'm trying my best not to burn myself because this really smells amazing. I'm adding my aguacate, adding my sour cream, and I'm ready to go. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing spicy shrimp tacos. I can't wait to enjoy. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. Of course, I was very generous with the cheese and the avocado. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.